In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy trade on Bitunix. Full beginner tutorial, step by step. On top of that, I'm also going to show you how to pick the right traders to copy, how to avoid the biggest mistakes that beginners make that cost them money, and how to properly manage your copy trade so you don't get liquidated. Plus, if you use my link down in the description, you can claim massive exclusive bonuses plus chances to win a Tesla, Rolex, and other physical prizes. So let's get started. First things first, you need a Bitunix account. If you don't have one yet, click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the exclusive welcome bonus page. Only by using my link will you unlock the full new user bonus package that I've negotiated specifically for you guys. Now here's the important part. Bitunix is one of the fastest growing exchanges right now, and they're rewarding early users heavily. On top of that, the copy trading feature on Bitunix is extremely user-friendly even if you're a complete beginner. Once you click my link, just sign up with your email, set a strong password, and you're ready to go. The entire process takes less than a minute. After you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your control center for everything on Bitunix. Alright, so once you're logged into your Bitunix account, here's what you need to do. Go to the top menu, hover over Futures, then click on Copy Trading. Bitunix will take you to the full copy trading dashboard. This is where you'll see all the top copy traders, their stats, how many followers a trader has, 30-day ROI percentage, P&L in dollar terms, max drawdown, assets under management, win rate, token preferences, and more. Now, this might look a little bit complicated at first, but I'm going to break down everything you need to know step by step. Now look, to avoid random risky traders, we must check each stat carefully. You can sort each trader by P&L, ROI, win rate, and assets under management, or AUM. Let me break down what each of these metrics actually means, because this is super important. P&L displays the trader's total profit and loss in USDT terms. This shows their absolute earnings, not just percentages. Look for traders with substantial P&L that shows they're trading with real capital. ROI percentage shows the return on investment the trader has made in percentage terms. This tells you how much profit they've generated relative to their capital. Higher is better, but you want to see consistency, not just one massive spike. Win rate indicates the percentage of trades that made money. At least 50 to 60% is ideal. But do keep in mind that a 100% win rate is usually a red flag. It means they're probably not closing losing trades and letting them run, which can lead to massive losses later. AUM, or assets under management, shows how much total capital is currently copying this trader. Higher AUM usually means more trust from the community, but it can also mean the trader is managing a lot of capital, which might affect their flexibility. Now here's a pro tip that most people don't know. Don't just sort by ROI and pick the top one. That's a rookie mistake that I see beginners make all the time. You want consistency across multiple metrics, not one lucky month where they 10x on a meme coin. Once you've narrowed down your list, click on a trader's profile to see all their detailed stats. Focus on these key metrics. Followers P and L. If this is negative or barely positive, that's a massive red flag. Skip them. Cumulative profit ROI chart. Look for steady upward growth. Big spikes and crashes mean high risk and you could get liquidated. Win rate, at least 50 to 60% is ideal. Anything below 40% is pretty risky. Number of followers, this tells you how many people are currently copying this trader. If people copying this trader is less than 10, I usually skip them. It means they haven't built enough trust yet. Trading days, this shows how long the trader has been active on the platform. I prefer traders who have been active for at least 1 to 2 months. Profit sharing ratio, this is very important. This is the percentage of total copy trading profit that the lead trader will receive. Profit sharing ratio is usually between 10 to 20%. This is what the trader earns from your profits. For example, if your trader makes $100 and the profit share is 10%, they keep $10 and you keep $90. Trading token preferences. Focus on traders who mainly trade major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Low cap altcoins are way higher risk and can move against you very quickly. Trader description. Some traders actually explain their strategy here, which can give you good insight into how they trade. Take your time here and check carefully the statistics and what kind of trader you're copying, since you're trusting this person with your money. Before we continue, make sure to check the Task Center section after signing up with my link. Here you can claim all those exclusive bonuses I mentioned earlier. First, you'll get 20 USDT just by making your first deposit of at least 100 USDT. On top of that, complete your first futures trade and you'll receive another 20 USDT in rewards. So that's 40 USDT in bonuses just for getting started. Literally free money. Some rewards require actions like deposits or trading volume, and the platform will track this automatically for you. Just go through each bonus, complete the requirements, and claim your rewards. This is literally free money that you can use, so definitely don't skip this step. Alright, so once you find a trader you like, click the copy button on the upper right side. Now this is where it gets interesting because Bitunix gives you a lot of control over how you copy trade. Bitunix offers two modes, multiplier mode and fixed amount mode. Multiplier mode is when you copy a percentage of your portfolio that matches the lead trader's allocation. The order will be copied proportionally. So if they use 5% of their capital on a trade, you use 5% of yours. Fixed amount mode is where you copy a fixed dollar amount per trade. For example, if you set $10, every trade the lead trader opens, you open with $10. This gives you more control over how much you're risking per trade. For this tutorial, I'm going to focus on fixed amount since most of you watching are probably beginners. First, you'll see the amount per order. You decide how much money to use per trade. Every copied trade uses the same amount. For example, if you set $50, then every trade copied uses $50 as well. Under here, you can see the amount. This is the total amount you will invest in copying this master trader. You can enter the amount according to your Bitunix account balance. Don't put all your funds into one trader. Diversification is key. If you choose multiplier mode, you can only choose amount. Next is account stop loss. Enter the amount here. When account equity reaches this percentage level, your copy trading relationship will be terminated. All of your orders will be closed at market price and the remaining assets will be transferred to your spot account. Due to market volatility, the actual account equity at the time of copy trade termination may differ from your set value. When you click on Advance in any of the two modes, you can have more customization. You can see in the settings the margin mode. Here you can see three modes, same as trader, cross, and isolated. Cross margin means all available balance of the corresponding margin account will be deployed to meet maintenance margin requirements and prevent liquidation. This is riskier because your entire balance is at stake. Isolated margin means a specific amount of margin. Your initial margin is applied to a position, and the position margin can be adjusted manually. For beginners, I highly recommend using isolated margin because it limits your risk to just that specific trade. If you select same as trader, you will follow what's the setting on your copy trader. You can also customize what leverage you're using. You can use the same leverage multiplier as a trader, and also you can have a fixed leverage. You can also customize your slippage range. A copy order will not be initiated if the entry price deviates beyond either the default maximum slippage or the slippage threshold you set, which is typically represented as a percentage difference from the master trader's order fill price. The default slippage varies from 0.1 to 1.8% for different trading pairs. Now look, setting a lower slippage can protect your copy trade's entry price, but it may increase the risk of copy order failure. Since your order is executed as a market order, the filled price may drift beyond the maximum slippage limits due to market volatility. Once everything looks correct, accept the copy trading agreement, click copy, and confirm. Your copy trade is now live. Now look, copy trading is not completely passive. You need to monitor your positions. Go to the copy trading dashboard and click on My Copies to manage everything. Here you can see all your active copy trades, your current equity, realized P&L or net profit, and unrealized P&L in USDT terms. This gives you a complete overview of how your copy trades are performing in real time. On the Trader tab, you can edit setting at any time by clicking on Settings. You can adjust your stop loss, margin mode, and leverage. You can also unfollow a trader completely if their performance starts declining. I recommend checking your copy trades at least once a day, especially in volatile market conditions. If you see a trader's strategy changing or their drawdown increasing significantly, don't be afraid to stop copying them and find someone else. Alright, so that's the full breakdown of copy trading on Bitunix. Copy trading is a great way to get into crypto without being a chart expert, but this is definitely not passive income. You need to monitor your traders, manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Before you go, use my link in the description to claim the welcome bonus package on Bitunix. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. For a more detailed walkthrough of the Bitunix platform, check out the video popping up on your screen now. And I'll see you in the next one.